fertility rate is something that is different. For one to connect all these dots that we have mentioned, of course we can connect the dots, but they are very, very different issues on their own. Starting off with the health workers, I don't have the exact figure with me, but close to 80% have been vaccinated. So it's not that it's like a 20%, 10%, 20, 30% or below 50%. 80% of our health workers have been vaccinated. So yes, there is a need to make it 100%, which we are pushing, and something we are trying to motivate people. We are urging people. We cannot force people to take vaccination, which we've been very clear from day one. But we need to understand that we need to sensitize people and convince them that vaccination is the only way forward. I'll just give a small number to all of you, that out of the 749, the numbers that I have, which is up to 9th of July, so about 749, 691 people, which means 92% of the people who lost their lives, 92% did not take a single dose also. So clear data and indication coming in that vaccination is absolutely necessary. So I once again would like to urge all concerned, those who have not taken vaccine, and if there's somebody in the press also, I would like to urge you also, that we have clear indication that those people who lost their lives, 92% of them had not taken a single dose. So therefore, it is important to take vaccination, and similarly, we are asking our health workers also to do that. In this process, I would also like to state that there have been some elected members who have been openly criticizing and not really promoting the vaccination program. And I would like to say that being elected members, we have a responsibility. We have a